Om Sairam. Hello everyone. I am Dr. Snehal N. Kothari, KP astrologer since January 2017. I am from Shirdi. I was introduced to EPS in November 2017. I took 3 months online course of EPS where I learned so many new things. We learned basics and solved many cases through EPS system. Later that I realized that EPS is different, accurate and most advanced system, especially for the natal chart reading. Let me tell you something about Dr. Adit Kashinath sir, the founder of EPS system. He is very hardworking, dedicated person. His way of teaching is excellent. He is very calm and having lots of patience. His application of logics on any chart is the best part, which I like. He always explains the case studies with proper reasoning. He proved that EPS is really different from any other system through lots of example. The best part of EPS which I like is BTI technique, birth time rectification technique, where we fix most of the cusp depending upon the client's past events. He explained that one planet can act differently under different dasha and different bhakti, that is through field connections. I did BTR of many known astrologers and few clients and gave advanced prediction through that rectified time, which comes 80 to 90% correct. Recently, EPS software upgraded with lots of new features like finding key planets, EPS analyzer, field table, house grouping. So it became very easy for all of us to predict the destiny and timing of event perfectly. I am very thankful to EPS Dr. Adit Kashinath sir for introducing such excellent tool for learning astrology. I highly recommend EPS to all new KP astrologer. Thank you. Thank you very much. Om Sai Ram.
Hello, I'm Aarti Bansal from Pune and I'm very happy to get associated with Adit sir. When I joined his class and after going through his intensive care of learning how he focuses on his students is just amazing, and I'm happy I got this opportunity to learn online, because being in a domestic environment and not being able to go out because we really don't have much teachers here nearby, so this was just a blessing to me that just came by coincidence. But then if anybody is just watching me, it's a highly recommended course. Don't take it as a coincidence, take it as a choice. You will really benefit from this, because his teaching, the software, it's all just amazing. Because the EPS software is not only about normal KP software that we get to see, it's more beyond that. A lot of doubts get cleared in this software, because when we see, actually it has happened with me also, because when we follow YouTube videos, we do see, and in the videos teachers will explain us like take sign link, take ruler link, take the exchange, and take the planets also influencing the planet, about Rahu Ketu influence. Rahu Ketu are important, but we really don't know which planets are impacting Rahu and Ketu. His software will clear all your doubts, and that's a very unique feature about this software. I mean, I just opened there's this EPS table in that, and the house grouping table. You just open it simply and you will know which planet is influencing which planet, and what all planets are supposed to be taken into consideration for your reading, which I feel no other software gives. So it is just amazing. His teaching is amazing. If anybody has not even seen EPS software, I think you will get the essence of it only after experiencing it, because it is in no comparison with other available softwares. I just cannot compare it with other available softwares.
Good morning to all. I am KVS Subramanya Sharma from Warangal. I am one of the KP trainer. I learned KP system and also EPS system from Aditji. Before learning, I have a doubt whether can I understand the system or not after seeing this software, because I saw a lot of significations to every planet. I get a little bit confused. But after hearing all the classes from Aditji, my confusion is clear. I got a clear path, clear way about EPS. Now I am able to analyze horoscopes with the help of EPS. Got good results along with right time of event. For this, I'm thankful to Aditji, Guruji. I like a point in the CPS system, that is key plans, that is invented by Aditji in this system particularly, which are very helpful to astrologers and support to get a right path and right way in analysis of horoscope. This is a very good system. It supports the astrologers getting conclusion along with logic. It is not rule based, it is a logic based. Hence, we should get exact results, correct path. Thank you very much.
Hello friends, my name is Shaunak Dev Pathak. I am running my own business and am a keen learner of astrology. I started my journey of learning astrology from Vedic astrology. Although it is very interesting, but at the same time very complex in making predictions. With the result, I did not get satisfaction while doing prediction. Subsequently, I learnt KP system from Shri Hariharanji. I found KP system to be much simpler than Vedic, but since the fourfold significators used in the KP system are only up to star level, it did not give satisfactory results while predicting natal charts. Out of my anxiety to give better and more accurate prediction, I came to know about EPS system devised by Dr. Kasinath and attended his online course. After learning EPS system, I feel this is most logical and scientific way of analysis. I find predictions made by using EPS system are more accurate than the predictions done by using KP system or Vedic system due to following reasons. EPS system means Extended Planetary Signification System. As the name indicates, it includes all those planetary significations which could not be included under KP system. Few examples of extended significations of EPS system are inclusion of role of cuspal star lord and cuspal sublord. We all know that a cusp is ruled by cuspal lord, cuspal star lord and cuspal sublord. While all KP systems include the significators of only cuspal lord, EPS system is the only system which has included the planets signified by cuspal star lord and cuspal sublord. We all know the immense role of cuspal star lord in giving effect of the planet and the role of cuspal sublord in deciding the result of the effect of the star lord. Another inclusion is that Vedic astrology gives lot of importance to sign lord sign exchange, conjunction, and aspect to and aspect by planets. While KP system did not consider these parameters, the EPS system has done full justice by including the role of these important parameters while deciding on the significators. Yet another inclusion is, while KP did not consider indirect connections or support of planets, the EPS system has gone to the extent of including even this aspect. As regards the level of analysis, while KP system has only 3 levels of analysis, that is planet level, star dot level and sublord level, the EPS system has 2 additional levels to reach the final decision. With the above extended significations, the EPS system has not left any aspect untouched in finding the significators. The software developed by Dr. Kasinath to use and predict by using EPS system is so user-friendly and innovative that one cannot think of any better software than that. It is a semi-automated software. It includes the favorable and unfavorable significators of about 200 events, which include almost 99% of events of life or questions asked by people. The software is so user-friendly that an astrologer can add any number of events. The tables in this software change according to the event chosen to give the predictions. There are many advanced tools as analyzer table, quality table, graphics, ranking of the planets, etc. for each event. Like every system has to be learned before using it, one has to learn the EPS system, and here the founder of the EPS system himself is teaching the system. Although initially it appears to be slightly complex when compared with KP system of 4-fold significators, but we should understand that since we have included maximum possible significators, we have to filter the most effective significators for a question, and for that a systematic approach has to be followed. Once you follow the step-by-step process of Dr. Kasinath, you feel happy because nothing is left untouched in this system to arrive at final prediction. Now a few words about Dr. Kasinath. He is a very knowledgeable, patient and a dedicated teacher. His way of teaching is very simple. He loves to clarify all doubts of the students, even if he has to repeat it 10 times, and that too without getting offended. He considers all charts of all types of charts, whether simple or complicated, to explain how to predict with the EPS system. He even considers the live charts given by students to discuss and teach them. He has provided ebook for his students and for all lovers of KP system for better understanding of the EPS system. He has also uploaded videos for better learning and understanding of the EPS system. He teaches the students through step-by-step process like general analysis of chart, finding key planets, favorable as well as unfavorable, at the planet level, and out of all the significators found by the software for that event, and then analyzing the key planets in the house grouping table through 5 levels to find out actual strength and weakness of that planet, and then using PILT tables and other advanced tools like analyzer table, quality table, graphics, ranking, etc. to decide upon the most potential DBA for that event. However, you actually have to learn this system for applying on the charts. The ebook and videos provided by Dr. Kasinath can only help you in better understanding of the process taught in the online classes. Therefore, friends, I would recommend all KPE followers to learn EPS system from the inventor of the system himself, that is Dr. Kasinath. Thank you very much.